Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture number 3 of linear inequalities in two variables. So we start this lecture from exercise 1b. Exercise 1b, question number 1. So the statement is Kate plans to divide her ribbon into not more than 30 pieces. Each piece of ribbon is to be used to wrap either a box of cookies, so first parameter is box of cookies, or a packet of candies. Second parameter. She will wrap at least 8 boxes of cookies. So and this is actually a condition. And there will be at least twice as many packets of candies as boxes. Another condition. So taking X represent the number of boxes of cookies. So it means a number of cookies as X, this one. And Y represents the number of packets of candies. This is Y. And write down three inequalities other than X greater than equal to 0 and Y is greater than equal to 0, which satisfy the above conditions. So the first condition is she will wrap at least 8 boxes of cookies. At least means X should be, from this, X should be less than, at least, sorry, greater than equal to 8. Clear? Next condition, and there will be at least two times or twice as many packets of candies as boxes of cookies. So packet of candies representative of Y. So Y should be at least, it can be greater than, but at least twice as many, twice of there will be at least twice as many packets of candies as boxes of candies. It means number of cookies will be multiplied by 2 in order to make it double. So 2 multiplied by number of cookies are X. So this is second condition. Y is greater than equal to 2X. As according to this condition, the number of packets of candies, which is Y, and boxes of cookies, which is X. The relationship has been described at least twice as many packets of candies. So packets of candies should be 2 times of the cookies at least. So that is why inequality will become Y is greater than or equal to 2X. At least it means it can be greater, but not less than 2X. So that is why I have written this inequality is greater than or equal to 2X. Another one. Uh, Total number of Kate plans to divide her ribbon into not more than 30 pieces. So 30 pieces mean not more than, so X plus Y, the sum of number of uh, cookies, a box of cookies, number of boxes of cookies, and number of packets of candies. Their sum should be not more than, or it means less than 30. It can be equal to 30. So I'm writing this inequality less than equal to 30. So X plus Y less than equal to 30. So these are the three inequalities in part A. All right, part B, on a sheet of graph paper, show unshaded the region satisfy the inequalities in A. So we have to draw a graph. I'm drawing it here. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. Similarly here 2, 4. Suppose this is x and this one is y. X-axis and this one is y-axis. All right. The first inequality is this. This is x is greater than 0. So I'm writing the inequality, these inequalities as well. X is greater than equal to 0. And another one is x is greater than equal to y is greater than equal to 0. So there are 5 inequalities we have to plot. So x is greater than equal to 0, plotting with blue color. So x equal to 0 is this line. Then y is greater than equal to 0, this line is actually x-axis. So x is greater than 0, the region should be here. Similarly, y is greater than 0, the region should be above this line. Next one is x is greater than equal to 8. So where is x equal to 8? This line. And greater than equal to 8. So it means the region is here. Right here, x is greater than equal to 8. This is x is greater than equal to 0. And this is y is greater than equal to 0. This line. All right, we have plotted 3 inequalities. This one, y is greater than equal to 2x. So I'm making a table for it. This table. X, y. So put 0 first. So the y will become 0. If I put 4, the y will become 8 from this inequality. So there are 2.00, this one, and 4 minus 8. So where is 4? Sorry, 4 plus 8. 4 and this one is 8. So joining these points, you will get a line. This line. So basically this line is y greater than equal to 2x. And it is greater, so it means the region is above here. Next one is x plus y is less than equal to 30. So I'm making a table for it here. So y equals minus x plus 30. So I'm making a table here. X, y. So if I put 10 here, I get 20. So I'm putting here 15. I get 15. For 10, I get 20. So there are 2.15, 15. So where's 15? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 is here. From it, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This point. Another point is 10, 20. So where is 10? 10 is here. So approach 20 now from at y-axis. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This point. So join these points, so we have a straight line. So go back towards back side. And the region should be less than, so it means the region should be below this line. So above, below, and left, you can see that this is the region. This one, which satisfy all the inequalities. Part C. A piece of ribbon used to wrap a box of cookies is 30 centimeter long, and piece of ribbon used to wrap a packet of candies is 15 centimeter long. Use your graph to estimate the maximum possible length of the ribbon that Kate has. So we have three. If you see that, we have three corners of this triangle or vertices of this triangle, shaded triangle. Number one, yes. Number one, this one. Number two is this point, and number three is this point. So these points are, you can see that this point is x8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8, 16 is the point. This point is 8, 16. What about this point? This point is 10, 10, 20. And this point is 8, 22. So we're putting these 3 points one by one, which will give you the maximum answer. Obviously, let's see. For 822, first point, 822. The length will be 8. 8 is actually the number of boxes of cookies. So 8 multiplied by the length of each wrap around the cookies, 30 centimeters. So 8 multiplied by 30. 8 into 30 plus, then this is 22. 22 into 22 into the length of ribbon used to wrap a packet of candies, 15. So it gives you 8 into 30 is 240. Let me calculate it. 8 into 30 plus 22 into 15. So we get 570 centimeters from this point. From second point, 1020. 10 into 30 plus 20 into 15. The total length will be equal to 300 plus 300, 600 centimeter. All right, third point. Third point is this 816. 8 into 30 plus 16 into 15. So it gives you 480. 480 centimeter. So you can see that the maximum length is 600 centimeter. We can get from this shaded region. So this is your answer. 600 centimeter is your answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. A supermarket manager stocks two brands of detergent called Power Clean and Disappear. His stock is running low and finds he has room for up to 200 bottles. He proposes to order at least twice as many bottles of Powder Clean as of Disappear. He wishes to have at least 550 bottles of Disappear and not more than 140 bottles of Power Clean. Take X to represent the number of bottles of Power Clean. This is actually the first condition. Sorry, the first parameter. And Y represent the number of bottles of Disappear that he orders. So Y is the second parameter. So write down in 4 inequalities involving X and Y other than X is greater than equal to 0 and Y is greater than equal to 0. So I'm writing here the inequalities, part A. So the first one is the food market stocks two brands. His stock is running low and finds he has room up to 200 bottles. So the first one is X plus Y, not more than 200, up to 200. So it should be less than equal to 200. Because X is the number of bottles of Power Clean and Y are the number of bottles of Y is the number of bottles of Disappear. So the first condition is this: X plus Y less than equal to 200. He proposes to order at least twice as many bottles of Power Clean as of Disappear. So where is Disappear? Y, it means X at least greater than equal to 2Y. 2 times of the Disappear, 2Y. Next, he wishes to have at least 50 bottles of Disappear. Disappear is Y. So at least 50. So it means Y is greater than equal to 50. Next one, and not more than 140 bottles of Power Clean. Power Clean is X, not more than So less than equal to 140. So these are the inequalities other than x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. So I'm writing the others as well. X is greater than 0 and y is less than, sorry, y is also greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inequalities here. Part B. The point xy represent x bottles of power clean and bottles of disappear order. Using a scale of 2 centimeter represent 50 bottles on each axis. Constructed indicate clearly by shading the unwanted region, the region in which xy must lie. So basically we have to plot the inequalities. I'm drawing the Cartesian plane first. Cartesian plane. So this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. And scaling has been given. Scale is 50 bottles to represent 2 centimeters. Suppose this is 1 centimeter and this is 2. It means this is 50. This will be 100 and this will be 150. So on. Similarly here 50, 100, 150, so on. All right. Now plot the inequalities. The first one is x plus y. So it can be written as y equals minus x plus 200. So the gradient is 1, or we can draw the table for it. This is x, this is y. Put 0 first, so we get 200. For 200, we get 0. So here this point says 0, 200 is this, and 200, 0 is this. Okay, join these 2 points, we get a straight line. So this is the straight line. It is actually x plus y uh, less than equal to 200. Less than, so obviously the region should below this line. All right. Next, x is greater than 0. So this can also be converted into y equal to x by 2. So table will be for 0, it is 0. For uh, 400, this will become 200. The line will be for 0, 0. Whereas 200 is this. Sorry, 400 is 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. 400 is this. And whereas 200, 50, 100, 150 and 200. This one. Join these two line points. So this is the line. X is greater than, or we can also write it as y is less than equal to x by 2. So it means again the region should be below this line. Next is y is greater than 50. So y equal to 50 line. I'm plotting this line. This line will be y equal to 50. So the region should be above of here. Next, x is less than 140. 100, it's 125. 140 is something here, somewhere like here. Suppose this is 140. So this is x is less than equal to 140. Then x is greater than 0 is this line, and y equal greater than 0 this line. So we have drawn the 5. So it says inequalities. So where is the region? Region is very small. It's just this. This is the region. So part B finished. So part C, I'm leaving this part C for you to solve it. I'm moving to next question. Question number 5. So question number 5 again is very similar. We have to plot the inequalities. Question number 5, the statement is the dealer produces two blends of tea, fragrant and instant, by mixing two variables of tea leaves A and B. So in fragrant blends, weight of A over weight of B is equal to 4 over 1, and in instant blend, weight of A over weight of B is equal to 2 by 3. So these are the ratios given. Given that he produces X kilograms of fragrant and Y kilograms of instant, copy and complete the following table. So I'm taking this equation. Get this. Uh, weight of A is 4 x over 5. So it will become 4 x over 5 equal to 4 by 1. So you can see the ratio is 4 by 1. So it means we will divide this by 4. So we get 4 over 5x divided by 4. Or you get 1 by 5x. So this should be written here. Weight of B in this column. 4 over 5x, so the remaining weight will be 1 over 5x, obviously. What about this instant? The ratio is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, it means the weight of A should be 2 over 5y of the total y, and the weight of B will be the remaining 3 over 5y. Next part, part A. The dealer has at most 3200 kg of variety A and at least 3000 kg of variety B. Write down two inequalities involving X and which satisfy these inequality conditions and show that they simplify to 2x plus y less than equal to 8000, and this second inequality becomes this: x plus 3y less than equal to 15,000. So part A will be, so I'm adding it. The first one is 4 over 5x plus 1 over 5x. Sorry, 1 over 2 over 5y. So first inequality will be 4 over 5x because we are adding variety A leaves plus 2 over 5y, and it's actually total weight of the leaves of variety A, which is at most 30, at least or less than equal to 3200. What about the second one? Second one will be leaves of variety B, 1 over 5x, and this one 3 over 5y plus 3 over 5y, and its total weight is at least less than equal to 3000 kg. Okay, simplifying it, take LCM as 5 or multiply the whole inequality by 5. So we get 5 cancelled, so we get 4x plus 2y. It's 5 cancelled with this 5, less than equal to 5 into 32 gives you 16,000. Now divide the whole inequality by 2. So we get 2x plus y less than equal to 8,000. So this is the required inequality, first inequality, this one. Next one, multiply the whole inequality by 5. So 5 cancel, we get x plus 5 cancel 3y, and 5 into 3000 gives you 15,000. So this is the second inequality. So part B, this is part A done. So part B, he wishes to produce a less fragrant than instant as sufficient container for only 2300 kg of fragrant and 5000 kg of instant. So write down the three inequalities will satisfy these conditions. So this one, the first, he wishes to produce less fragrant than instant. So instant is greater than less fragrant. So what is instant in this? Instant is represented by X. So, and sorry, Y, and fragrant is represented by X. So the inequality becomes Y is greater than X. Sorry, part C, part B. Y is greater than X, according to this statement. He wishes to produce less fragrant. So use X is less than Y or Y is greater than zero, X. Second one is he has sufficient container for only 2300 kg of fragrant. So fragrant is X less than equal to 2300. Second condition. And 5000 kg of instant. So Y should be less than equal to 5000 kg. So these are the inequalities. Uh, in part C, the point represent X. So we have to uh, plot the plot these inequalities on a Cartesian plane and then represent and then shade the region for these inequalities. So I'm leaving this to you. These are the inequalities: first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and fifth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 inequalities you have to plot on the Cartesian plane. So I'm giving you as in home assignment C and part D as well. So this is your complete home assignment, question of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of exercise 1B. You take care. Allah Hafiz.